It's a STEM-related field promising to be a hot career choice. Come along with us as we meet high schoolers learning what it takes to be environmental scientists.
And it's a high school environmental competition. So the folks who are here today are experts in the different topics that the kids will compete in. We have someone who's an expert in aquatics, a forester, a soil scientist, all those different categories that the kids will compete in.
This year, a team from Deep Run High School steps into the competition, along with a team returning from Highland Springs High School.
It's very exciting because we've never done this before. This is our first year in this competition, so we're still learning about the aspects of it, but so far it's very interesting and I love learning about the topics and how to improve our environment and ecosystem.
The structure of the Envirothon program is that the students study 5 different areas of environmental science: aquatics, soil, forestry, wildlife, and then a special issue that's a current topic, that's something that is in the news. This year's topic is invasive species.
Students have the chance to pick the brain and bounce ideas off of experts, volunteering their time and sharing their enthusiasm.
They can get exposure to reading about it, but to actually get the hands-on from somebody who's an expert in this field, that's very limited opportunities. And so, yeah, I think they appreciate it, and I appreciate the opportunity to make sure they understand the basic concepts.
I think there is a need for it, and not enough people pay attention to the environment. And I think it's something with all the advancing technology and stuff like that, it needs to be addressed, because as technology advances, more fossil fuels are going to be used, and more energy is going to be used, and more CO2 emissions are going into the air and pollution.
AP Environmental Science is probably the youngest of some of the AP sciences, but it's one that's really critical because we deal with climate, we deal with land pollution, water pollution, air pollution, everything that's going on right now.
You see that there's also a lot of girls there. It's not just guys. As of before, maybe it was just guys in this field, but now you really see that it's more girls than guys. So it's like it's very motivational to see so many girls in STEM.
It's valuable knowledge and skills that they can take with them into the future.
As far as environmental science in general, it is something that I am looking into. And I know a lot of the people at least in our team, are looking into that.
I have at least 2 students that are going into environmental science as careers because of this that they hadn't thought of before.
And the competition and camaraderie grows each year.
The girls are outranking us, and in their team it's 2-0, so you can see it's definitely balancing out.
Find out more about the work going on with Envirothon. Use the direct link on WTVR.com/poweringvirginia. 1 out of every 3 bites we take is due to the hard work of pollinators. Come along with us. We're heading to Lewis Ginter Botanical Garden to the brand new community kitchen garden growing now. We'll be right back with more Powering Virginia.